Just wanna put it down for me. I just want you make it smile for me. I just wanna get it his way, that way.
Anything I want, get it cracking if you like. Must be a full moon. Whoa, I ain't gonna try.
Hey baby cakes, so my face is freshly clean and I'm using my Mineral 89 from Vichy Laboratories and getting it all in my skin. It's supposed to help for vibrancy and a few other things, but it's a moisturizer. I'm using from NYX Cosmetics the gel liner and smudger in brown for my brows. I'm just filling it in. It's not so neat right now, but as I add in my foundation later, I'll clean it up and all of that. For the foundation, I'm going to be using the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. I believe I used the color 17. I'll put it all in the description box what I'm using. Now, I'm using their Gotcha Covered Concealers. I believe the color Cappuccino and another one. I'm in the car, you guys, doing this voiceover, so I don't have the makeup with me, but I'll let you know what everything is in every color in the description box. Now, this concealer is very thick and very full coverage, so it took a while for me to get it blended and all together and all of that. So if you guys are going to use this, put a little bit. A little goes a long way. Now, I'm using Black Opal's foundation stick and Black Walnut for my contour areas, and I'm buffing it out. I wet my brush with a little bit of setting spray just to get it nice and moist so it's not too hard and thick to blend out. Now, I'm going to freeze this next clip just to let you guys know. Right now, I'm going to be blending out some more concealer. These colors were just a little bit too vibrant and bright for my complexion, so I ended up just adding a little bit of the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, so that way it could be a little bit darker and deeper to match my complexion. As part of my regular routine, I'm going to be setting the highlighted areas with a mixture of translucent Coty Airspun Powder and my Camel Powder from Nye. And then I just take some of the Camel Powder by itself and blend everything together so everything could just look seamless and popping. And this is why I don't do a lot of live videos, because I always want to take a break and talk and chit chat. Anyways, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer as a base for my eyeshadow in the color Fawn. And then I'm going to be going in with the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette and just getting it together for my transition, using all these colors you see me pointing to. Okay, so now I'm going to be using NYX's cream color Vivid Brights. This stuff is the business, y'all. I'm telling y'all. And then I moved in with another NYX Ultimate palette. I'll put all of the names of everything below. I promise. I got y'all. But anyways, I didn't set it or anything because I wanted to put the colors directly on it so it would be more vibrant. And then I moved in with some Vivid liners. And then the blue one is called Vivid Sapphire. The red one is called Vivid Fire. Then I decided to add some shadows to my waterline, going in the same order that I did on top there, the lighter to the purple to the blue to the darkest purple. I'm removing the excess powder that I put there to avoid drop fallout, and then I'm going to move in with my double stacked NYX mascara. So the first layer, you're going to put the mascara, then you're going to add the fiber, and then you're going to add some more mascara. Now, I used some NYX lip liner to line my lips, but then I decided to go dark. Now, I'm using the Butter Gloss, and this color is so bomb. I love this color, and this is some very highly pigmented gloss. Now I'm going to be using Becca's Shimmering Skin Perfector in the color Chocolate Gold Honey. This stuff melts into your skin, your complexion. If you're around my complexion a little darker, this is so freaking pretty. Now, y'all know I usually use that 30-second Pro hair glue, but today I'm going to be using the 30-second lash glue. And it dries just as fast and it dries clear. So this is my new stuff, y'all. No more hair glue.
Give you right away. Fucking up on my best. Shawty, you on my face. Sit down, find the space. Oh, nah, nah.